Okay, let's take a start. What kind of things do you have to bring when you go outside? Mic
Actually,
थोड़ा ऊपर कर लें. Yes.
the things that I bring when I go to outside is one thing is bag, and other is things which can be used when I go to outside for some doing
Okay,
something.
your answer is unclear. For example, you can use signpost language here. What kind of things do you have to bring when you go outside? Whenever I go anywhere, first of all, I always take my mobile with me because I need to stay connected, especially when I'm outside. So, for that, I keep my mobile with me. Secondly, the most important thing that I need is my wallet, because when I go outside I might have to spend money somewhere, and my wallet also contains my ID documents. So in order to go outside I always keep my wallet and my mobile with me. Okay, did you ever forget to bring something?
Yes, I forgot.
I forgot.
I forgot my wallet when I go to outside.
अब ये question है past में. Did
When
you
I
ever
went
forget? When I went out.
went
Once
outside.
I forgot my wallet when I went outside, and then I had to go back. इस तरह से.
Then I had go to bag for picked up and okay.
Okay, this is short answer. Just add some more. How do you remind yourself? Now, listen. Yeah, you can say, in order to remind myself, I set alarms or reminders on my mobile phone. That is the best way, or otherwise, whatever you want to say. So, how do you remind yourself?
In order to remind myself, I set reminder on my mobile, or I set a alarm clock for reminder.
Okay, to remind myself. Your answers are short. Just add some more to your answers. Okay. Do you carry different things in the morning and in the evening?
For what?
Do you for example, in the morning you're going somewhere else and you carry different things. In the evening you're going somewhere else and you carry different things. So do you carry different things in the morning and evening? You can say, no, I carry the same things whether it is morning or evening, because I usually have two things to carry: my wallet and my mobile. So whether I go anywhere in the morning or in the evening, I always carry these two things. Okay, so try to speak like this, elaborate your answer. Short answers irritate the examiner. Try to add at least 4 to 5 sentences to your answer. Gradually you'll be fine. Okay, thank you.